Hello friends. So in our second part, we are going to see SDFS architecture. So basic functionality of name node is the actual management of storage space of data inside data node, and it keeps track of file system, or it stores information about files, or it stores metadata about files. Metadata is the data about data. Suppose when file is created, when it is modified, what are the permissions granted to it, what are the ownership size when it is created. These are metadata. So all these updated are maintained by updations, or these updated meta info are maintained by name node, and data node perform the actual or groundwork of storage of data inside it. When these data blocks or replica get inside or distributed over the cluster, when they get inside node, then these node are called as data nodes. Okay, so name node stores the information of file or keep tracks of file into specific files that are known as FSI image, and other is edit logs. FSI image is basically the metadata. No, name node stores the metadata or data about data of any file inside this FSI image, and edit logs just keeps the log of activities of user, uh, or you can say it keeps the updation of all activities, or it can say it keeps log of user defined activities in SDFS. So suppose user have created a file or delete a file or modified a file, so these logs, when they have created this, these are appended in edit log. So edit log will keep on increasing whenever user will perform the action or perform any task or do updation or modification deletion in SDFS. So directly FSI image never get the updated info or metadata. First of all, it is loaded into edit logs, as I have told told you, and then the process of updation of or modified data or updated data or modified metadata from edit logs to FSI image is known as checkpointing process. Okay, so these are basic HDFS architecture. Now we come with speculative execution. So as you can see, this is a scenario where I have one name node controlling over two name data nodes. So this is Hadoop 1.x example. So this red arrows are signifying heartbeat signal. So there is a situation called uh, as you can see, uh, this data node is no longer to communicate with name node. So this is a situation of fault tolerance where data node is not able to communicate with name node. So all process may get stopped, but name node is why it is known as master node, because it also performs master. I say master job. What does it do? It copies the content, or it makes the transfer of content from data node 1 to data node 2. It transfer the content of data node 1 to data node 2, and data node 2 must be available at that time. It name node transfer the content of lost or corrupted data node to some another data node which is available, in order to make the in order to make continuation of flow. Okay, so this is the process which is known as speculative execution, and the failure of any data node or rack is known as fault tolerance. Okay, so this is all about SDFS. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.